So here's where it all started. I asked myself one question. What if a bike didn't just rely on your legs, but had a hidden 500-watt heart inside it?
How I turned this simple two-wheel bike into a 500-watt electro beast.
Red to red, black to
No
black,
factory,
motor to controller,
leg space,
controller to battery,
receive tools,
battery to
just
throttle.
pure
The first moment I
creativity.
twisted the throttle,
It talks theoretical, but sometimes it's safe.
You ever
Genius simple. This wasn't about big machines.
look at the normal bicycle and think, what if this thing had the power of a small motorcycle? Well, today I'm about to show you the genius hack even NATO professionals didn't think of. How I turned this simple two-wheel bike into 500-watt electro beast. No factory, no expensive tools, just pure creativity.
Professors make it theoretical, but sometimes I see it simple. This wasn't about money. It wasn't about big machines. It was about imagine.
Before we jump in, let me warn you. This is the kind of transformation that make engines shake their heads and say, how? And trust me, by the end of this video, you never look at bicycle the same way again. I ask myself question, what if a bike didn't just really on legs, but had a hidden 500 watts heart inside it? Most people think you need expensive kits, complicated wiring, or a mechanic, but the secret, you only need the three things: a basic 500-watt brushless motor, a lithium battery pack, and a controller that tells the motor how
It took
to
me 15
behave.
minutes, and a little upper knob. It took me 15 minutes, one wrench, a little Harderberg.
How to behave. That it's simple part, insane result. First thing I didn't muted the motor direct on the rear wheel hub. It took me 15 minutes, one wrench, and a lot of confidence. Then I attached the controller like it was hidden power brain, covered it, secure it. Next, the battery. This is where the magic is. I place it under seat so the bike still look normal, but under the seat is enough power to shock an engineer. Now the wiring. People think it's complicated, but honestly, it's a plug and play. Red to red, black to black, motor to controller, controller to battery, battery to throttle. If you can connect a phone charge, you can do this. The first moment I squeezed the throttle, the bike literally leaped forward like it had been waiting its whole life for this upgrade. I jumped on the bike, pressed the power button, twisted the throttle, and boom, the bike launched with the smooth power of 500 watts motor. It felt like mixing the bicycle with a mini electro motorcycle. Silent, fast, strong. People were staring like, is that really a bicycle? You see, people complicating things. Engineers make it too technical. Professors make it theoretical. But sometimes genius is simple. This wasn't about money. wasn't about big machine. It was about imagination, turning a normal bike into something powerful, using nothing but basic parts and wild idea. To top speed up to 40 km per hour, depending on setup, battery life, up to 30 to 40 km on the charge, cost way cheaper than buying a full electro bike. And most important, you get a bike that look normal, but ride it like machine built in secret lab. If you want me to break this down step by step with the tools, part link, and full guide, drop a comment. And if you want more genius hack like this, subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Stay creative, stay fearless, and remember, sometimes the best ideas are the ones experts never think of. If you like this movie, this is a movie review X7 where we talk about money, cryptos, finance. That's what I mean. Also, we can talk about Binance, talk about Amazon, talk about YouTube, how to grow YouTube, how to make video on YouTube, and also how to create things you cannot even imagine. Also, we talk about movie reviews, where we talk about the latest movie and why it did the best, and also we talk about the finance of the movie, how movie get paid for, or how much money came in after the movie was shot and being sold. So if you are looking for money, just join Montag or other platforms online, and you'll thank me later. Make sure you're following, you're liking, and may God bless you. Bye bye. Be creative out there, and see you in the next.